So these are our Packout handles. We have 3 sizes. We've got standard half width, standard full width, and extra wide. So as you can see here, we've got the 3 sizes here. They also fit some other Packouts which we have on our website. We also have multiple colors depending on your brand or your favorite color. We can suit that, and we've got a text box on the website so you can write in whatever you need to suit your Packout, as everyone is different. There's a few reasons why we create our handles. 1 is to stand out on site. 2 is so you can have something personalized and to suit your favorite colors. Or 3 is for quickly identifying what's in each Packout. So example 1 is you might have 3 vans in your company, and each van all has Packout and they all look the same. So one van would be running black handles, another van might be running blue handles, and another van might be running orange handles, for example. So that way, if you're all on the one site, you know exactly whose is whose and what Packout needs to go back in what van. That way you can be a lot more efficient. Another good reason as well, if you're on a commercial site with heaps of other tradies and most likely everyone else has Packouts on site, they all look the same. So this way you can quickly identify your Packout. Someone else can identify that that's not their Packout and not take it. You can pair the handles with some custom latches as well. If you want to go to that next step, you can have your branding, your company name, or your personal name. The way to replace your standard handle with our custom one is quite simple. We just need to grab a flathead screwdriver and you want to insert it between the Packout and the handle, and there's a little silver pin that goes in each handle. So once you get this pin out, it's going to be a direct replacement. So inserting the flathead here, that little silver pin is going to pop out a bit further. You can do that on both sides. Then you want to grab some pliers and pull it out. So there's 1, there's 2. So you've got the silver pins and that's going to fall out. So let's say we want to replace it with a red one, and just going to reverse the process. So push that in, push your pins back in, and we're all done. Now we've got a red handle. Quite simple and easy.